Hello everybody, this is Shenore Naturals. How are you all doing? I hope you are staying safe, washing your hands with soap and using your hand sanitizers when you go out. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about exfoliation or exfoliating. Why should you exfoliate? The exfoliating is the process where you remove dead skin cells to get smooth and radiant skin. So our skin renews itself every 30 days or so. Because when you are above 30 years, it takes longer than the 30 days. So that's where you need to exfoliate. Because even when it's that 30 days, all the dead skin cells don't come off your body. So it's like a bottle that you are trying to remove a label from it. Sometimes you get lucky. You get lucky because when the sticker hasn't been on for a long time, or it can easily be peeled off. But when it takes longer or is stronger, you definitely get some labels left on your bottle. So then what do? Either soak it in water or use an aggressive way of removing the label. So that's how our skin works. So you have to help remove the rest of the dead skin cells of the body that was left on. That's how we exfoliate. It gives you it makes your skin very smooth. Exfoliating is not for only women, it's for men and women. So don't sit at home and say, oh, I'm a man, so I don't need to exfoliate my skin. Duh, you have to exfoliate your skin. We all need to exfoliate our skin to get that smooth, radiant skin. So the 7 benefits of exfoliating are: it unclogs your pores. It prevents acne if you have breakouts and pains. If you are a person that exfoliates a lot, it prevents you from getting acne or breakouts. It helps your skin produce more collagen, and it penetrates anything that you put on your skin, like your moisturizer, deeper. It evens out your skin tone. It boosts your circulation. It boosts your circulation. The blood flows very well. It increases the cell turnover. So today I'm going to be showing you a simple way of exfoliating at home. The exfoliating I'm going to be showing you today is the coffee scrub for body and face. It depends on the kind of coffee you are using and the sugar you're going to use. So our ingredients today is coffee. You can use any coffee that you have. This is what I have here. We will use our brown sugar. It doesn't have to be brown sugar. If you have white sugar and it's a little bit fine, it's okay. I have brown sugar. I like using brown sugar. And honey, any honey you have, please. You don't have to use what I'm using. And olive oil. Again, you can use coconut oil, almond oil, any carrier oil that you have at home is acceptable. Okay. So I've got my formulation sheet here. I'm going to do 20 grams of the scrub just to show you. Okay. So everywhere is sanitized with my rubbing alcohol, and 99% of alcohol is sanitized everywhere. We need to keep ourselves clean. Okay. So I need 40 grams of coffee. So I'll measure my coffee out. 4 grams of my brown sugar. So this is actually, so if you are using spoon, I'm a formulator, so I go by how I've been taught. So you can use a tablespoonful, which is 10 ml, or 15 ml for sugar, one sugar spoonful, and then 1 sugar spoonful of your coffee. Okay. And then I will use my honey. Okay, before I continue, coffee is good for anti-aging. It has anti-inflammation in it. It helps with acne and breakouts. It helps with your dark circles. You know, sometimes when you don't sleep well or you're tired, you get this under eye circles. If you continue to use your coffee exfoliator, you will clear all the dark circles, and it's good for after sun. When you go out in the sun, you know, you get darker. Even though our skin are brown, you can see that you've tanned. Using coffee scrub helps with your tan, and it's good for cellulite and stretch marks. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have stretch marks and cellulite, it's not only the ladies that have cellulite, men also get cellulite. You see in your bum, you use it to scrub it. Continuous usage will help it to fade away. Okay, so our sugar is our natural exfoliant. Also, it removes dirt from the skin, it unclogs pores, and it's equivalent to glycolic acid. So sugar is very good. Edamame olive oil is full of vitamin A, B, E, and K, and it's also antibacterial. It moisturizes your skin and prevents anti-aging. So when we are aging, using olive oil is also good for your skin. Okay, so let's get on with our formulation, guys. So I'm going to put my 5 grams of honey. Honey is a humectant, meaning it draws water or moisture into the skin. And next, so the honey that I put will be a 5 ml. Teaspoon is 5 ml. So if you are using spoon, you use your teaspoon to measure the honey. Then my olive oil, I'm using 12 grams of it. Okay. This is my spoon. I'm going to mix it all together. And this is it. This is our coffee scrub. Easy to make. You don't need to do a big batch and keep. You just do it anytime you want to exfoliate. You can exfoliate 2 times a week or 3 times a week. Please, let's all start exfoliating our skin. I don't want to get old, so exfoliating my skin makes me look younger. Radiant skin, very smooth one. Okay, so this is our coffee exfoliate. So let me just see. We just have to, if it's your face, you have to wash your face just with water, and then you put your scrub. Your face, you have to do it gently because the skin on our face is very light, it's very soft. So you don't want to be aggressive with your face. But your skin, you can go a bit harder. You go in a cellular way for 5 minutes on your face. See, you can see the glow already. And leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Or if you have time, you can do 20 to 30 minutes. And then you wash it off. Then your skin will be glowing. Your body will be smooth and radiant. This is how our coffee exfoliation looks like. Thank you very much for watching Shenore Naturals. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share with your friends. I hope you stay safe. Bye.